Hey guys, Brian from Marable Traders here. It is Sunday. I guess it's May 20th. I was going to get this out on Friday, May 18th, but I just got busy. And we had our meetup in Vancouver yesterday. It was well-attended event. It was great. Good to see a lot of the people in the room and put some faces to names. So yeah, it was a great afternoon. And Andrew and I did the webinar for the annual or the full-time members on Thursday. That was great. So anyway, I just wanted to cover a trade I did on Friday. Uh, I actually screwed it up, but it was a good trade, and I do know some people took it and made money on it, which I'm happy about. I didn't lose. I just lost the commission on it. I kicking myself for doing this, but anyway, yeah. AMAT gap down. We were watching it in the pre-market. I wasn't actually watching this one specifically. Andrew had it, and he caught it on the opening range breakdown. And you can see here it gave a nice breakdown at the open. Didn't really wait at all. Like you look here at the pre-market, it was pretty steady. Just started to taper off just prior to pre-market, and it just dumped as soon as the market opened. So, you had a good chance. If you missed this one, you had a good chance on this bull or this bear flag to enter it and get lower. Like I said, I didn't take that trade, but at 10 o'clock, I started looking for reversals, double bottoms, and noticed AMAT around here, and noticed it was not breaking to a lower low. So I mentioned it in the room. Said I was watching it for a double bottom. A minute or so later, I took the trade. 48.62 was my entry, and it started looking pretty good. I had my stop down at 48.50, but when it started looking good, I thought, okay, I'll put my stop at 48.60, and I used a hard stop on this because I was looking at some other stocks. I didn't want to forget it. So unfortunately, that was the dumb part. I should not have used such a tight stop on this. I should have gone with what my original thought was, which was to put the stop around 48.50. And that would have given me a 12-cent downside risk. And I was looking for it to break 49, which it did. And 49 came from here, so, and a whole number as well. So that's kind of where my risk reward was, from 62, 38 cents up, 12 cents down, better than 3 to 1. So I was, pretty happy with that trade and entry. And like I said, I just put my stop in too tight, and they came down and tagged me right there. Bang, got me. So, obviously pretty annoyed that I made that poor judgment to move my stop up. So that's what happened, and it did a little more consolidating here, and then took off. So, and I think it actually went as high as 50. But I know, like I said, I'm happy some people took the trade, didn't get stopped out, and made some money on that. So, that's good for them. Glad they took the trade, and shame on me for sort of making a bit of an error there. So, yeah, a couple of people have commented why why I'm not showing price markers on some of my charts. Quite often, I'm not trading through DOS. I trade through my TD account. I trade through in some registered accounts. I trade. Sometimes I'm just watching TWS because I have my bigger watch list there, and I trade through TWS. I don't go through the DOS. I really just watch the DOS primarily for the View app because that's in some of the moving averages. It's got some good charting stuff, but I just haven't been using it that much as an actual trade vehicle. So that's why you don't see any price markers on my charts. So anyway, that's it. We'll see everybody in the room. Canadian holiday tomorrow. We'll be working. And guess we'll take the Memorial Day weekend next weekend as a holiday. So hope everyone had a great weekend. We had a great time at the Vancouver meetup, and hopefully we'll see everyone in the room on tomorrow, Monday morning. Cheers, guys.